This is how I make fly food for the nanoparticle experiment. So the fly food is gel-like. It's soft, but it's not liquid. It's like a DNA agarose gel. So first, because the upper surface is curved, but the bottom surface is very flat. So I use the bottom surface to apply the nanoparticles. So first, take this food out of the tube. So before that, I cut the food into two parts. This is because the whole food is too difficult to manipulate. So I cut into two parts, and let's down and cut to about 5 millimeter. Cut down. Because this side is the upper part, the surface is not flat, so I discard this part, and then let this down on the 3 layer of the filter paper to dry for about half an hour. Because the fly food is very wet, so if it does not dry, there will be a lot of fluid that will kill the flies. So let it dry for about half an hour, and after that, to stop the dry process, let's suppose half an hour has passed, and remove parafilm. So next, use a 10 ml of the nanoparticle solutions, and this is the filter tip. I first add to the filter tip, not the filter tip, this is a yellow tip. Add a drop of nanoparticle on this, and spread on this surface. Usually I do this on the microscope, so I can see the details. So I can see the details. I spread back and forth, and in every directions. Usually spread about 2 minutes. The nanoparticles will be absorbed by the food, and the surface will be dry. After the surface is dry, this is a glass tube to test tube to glass tube to hold the flies in, and I will just insert this. The two end is open. Both the two ends are open, so I insert this into the surface and just to the bottom. So so a piece of food is inserted into one end, and the surface with nanoparticles is on this side. And the fly, if I put a fly in this tube, the fly will eat the side with nanoparticles, but not the side without nanoparticles. And on the other end, I will use a sponge to seal the end, so that the fly will not fly away. And then load the tube on the locomotor activity monitor setup, and then monitor it. So this process is after 3 days, I will make a new set of food with nanoparticles to replace the old, and I transfer the fly from the old tube to the new tube, and replace every 3 days. Make a replace of the fresh food.